how to put caption using Snapchat. So let's get started. So if you want to put a caption on your Snapchat, now to do that, what you have to do is follow some basic steps. First, what you can do is just simply open up your Snapchat application, and after opening up your Snapchat application, just select a photo or a video, or you can just simply take a photo or a video from your camera roll. I'll just simply select a photo or a video from my gallery. So after selecting it, now if you want to add a caption, what you have to do is just simply tap on the T icon which is on the top right. So you will find that text icon, just simply tap on it, and after tapping on that, now you can just simply go ahead and then add a caption to it. So here you can see guys, now you have successfully added a caption. Now you can just simply resize it, size it down, and then place it wherever you like. And you have successfully added this caption. Now you can just simply tap on send to and then set it with your friends. So that's it guys, this is how to put caption using Snapchat. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.